to Earl's. We are ready to service your vehicle.
No, not today. What can I do you out of? Yeah, I was, good. No, never mind. Not happening. Not today. Never.
Hi, Mr. Mackey, how are you?
Good.
How can I help you today?
I'm looking to get an oil change. My tires rotated and balanced.
Okay, we can do that. I'll take your keys for you and you can follow me.
All right. My day just got a whole lot better. Yeah.
Have a great rest of your day, Mr. Mackey.
I certainly will. The next time you need service, repair, or diagnostic on your vehicle, ask for an ASE Certified Professional. You'll be glad you did.